Yes, good morning, all of you. Yes, beta, we are doing chapter number 3, that is safety and first aid. Clear? We have done that chapter, and today we are going to discuss the back exercise of this chapter. Clear? Hope everything is clear to you. If any query is there, so you can uh, raise hand or you can write in the chat box. If any query is there, if any point is not clear to you, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will come to know if you gave the answer properly in the while doing the back exercise. So it means everything is clear to you. Okay. Yes, open your book. Open it at page number 36. Clear? Sidewise you can do, but very important is to listen carefully and to write the answers in the chat box. I'll send the answer key later on. You can do at that time, but very important is to understand all the concepts. That should be clear to you. So first one is choose the correct answers. First is a gas leak can cause. Options are given: major fire, vomiting, headache, or fracture. Which one is the most appropriate answer? You have to tell that. It is the major fire. A is the answer. Very good. You are quick to answer, and all the answers are correct. Clear? It is the major fire. If gas is leaking, now what you have to tell, what should we do if there is a gas leak? What can be done if there is a gas leak? Arshdeep, Arshdeep beta, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What should we do if there is gas leak? If there,
Excuse me, ma'am.
ji beta. Beta,
Ma'am.
quick to answer. What can be done if there is a gas leak in the kitchen? If gas leakage is there, what can be done? Yes, students are writing good answers. We should have to open all the doors and window. Why should we do that? Why should we open the doors? Yes, Malvika, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी
मैम मैम मैंने ना जो चैप्टर फर्स्ट की मैम मेरी मम्मा कल ही बुक लेकर आए हैं, तो मैम आप चैप्टर फर्स्ट की बैक एक्सरसाइज सेंड कर दोगे?
I'll send that. Personal message आप कर सकते हो for that. Okay. Now you have to answer. What should be done if there is gas? Sorry. Why should we open doors and windows when there is gas leakage? So that.
बट क्यों नहीं हटाते थे अभी?
बेटा keep yourself.
होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं इवेंट, और जो नीचे वाला उसको सबट्रैक्ट, तो उसका आंसर आता है उसको हम बोलते हैं डिफरेंट.
Yes, Simran. Why should we open all doors and windows?
मैम क्योंकि हम मैम जो गैस लीक की वजह से मैम फायर लग सकती है.
To let the gas out, so that gas spread in the larger area, so that to let the gas out of doors and windows, to make it spread in the larger area, so that कि gas बाहर चली जाए doors windows से, और we can prevent the accident. Clear? Otherwise it may cause the blast, so that we should open all the doors and windows. Now the second one, to keep burning, fire needs electricity, water, air, or sand. The answer is very good. All are answering good. Yes, it is C. Air is required. Can you tell the gas which is needed for burning? We say कि air is required, but there is a particular gas which helps. Shivansh, very good. Yes, Girisha, very good answer. Arshdeep is not nitrogen, beta. It is oxygen. Manraj is not carbon dioxide. Oxygen is required. Okay, which gas is required for burning? Oxygen. Oxygen is present in the air. Can you tell the percentage of oxygen? What is the percentage of oxygen in air? It is 21%. Clear? So that is very important. Without oxygen, okay, we cannot burn any substance. किसी भी substance को आग नहीं लग सकती if there is no oxygen. And carbon dioxide help to extinguish fire. It helps to extinguish fire. Okay? Extinguish means आग बुझाने के लिए. And what else is required? एक तो हमने कहा कि air required है for burning. Can you tell something else which we have discussed in the class also? In the last class I told you what else is required. एक तो oxygen required है. Yes, what else is required? Proper ignition temperature. What is ignition temperature? Ignition temperature क्या है बेटा? Yes, anyone? Garvita, beta unmute yourself. Can you tell what is ignition temperature? I told you. No, it's not fuel. Yes.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Don't know. Okay, no problem. You can write in the chat box if someone knows. Yes, Manraj. Unmute yourself. What is ignition?
Ma'am, garam temperature.
Garam temperature? No. It is the temperature at which a substance catches fire. कोई सब्सटेंस को आग तब तक नहीं लगती जब तक हम उसको उस टेम्परेचर तक हीट नहीं करते. क्लियर? लाइक पेपर को जल्दी आग लग जाती है क्योंकि उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर लेस है देन द लॉग ऑफ वुड. अगर हमने वुड को आग लगानी है तो हमें उसको ज़्यादा टाइम तक हीट करना पड़ेगा टू अटेन दैट टेम्परेचर. इसीलिए हम पानी डालते हैं किसी चीज़ के ऊपर कि उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर से टेम्परेचर लो हो जाए, उसको कूल कर देते हैं हम लोग. ओके, क्यों हम पानी डालते हैं किसी चीज़ के ऊपर? टू कूल दैट सब्सटेंस बिलो इट्स इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. ओके बेटा? एंड द सब्सटेंस शुड बी कंबस्टिबल. बर्निंग का एक और हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं कंबस्टिंग. तो वो सब्सटेंस भी कंबस्टिबल होना चाहिए. लाइक आप स्टोन को जितनी देर मर्जी उसको हीट करते रहो वो उसको आग नहीं लगेगी बिकॉज वो कंबस्टिबल नहीं है. वुड कंबस्टिबल है, पेपर कंबस्टिबल है. तो जब वो अटेन करते हैं इग्निशन टेम्परेचर देन दे कैच फायर. क्लियर टू यू? ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट मूव टू द थर्ड वन. Covering a burning person with a rug or blanket helps to first one cool, second reduce pain, third run, fourth cut off air. Why do we put blanket on the person whose clothes catch fire? किसी के कपड़ों को आग लगी है. Then very good answer. Yes. To cut off the supply of air. Okay, when we put the thick blanket or any other thick cloth, it helps to cut off air. When no air is there, then fire will get extinguished. What else we can ask to do? We can ask that person to roll on the ground. It will also help to cut off the supply of air. Clear? Yes, good answer. We can ask the person to roll on the ground, and when we put the blanket on that person, it also cut off the supply of air. So D is the correct answer. Now next is the tourniquet is used in case of. First of all, you have to tell me what do you mean by tourniquet? Garvita, what is tourniquet? Unmute yourself, beta. What is tourniquet? Turn your mic on first. Beta, turn the mic on. Simran.
मैम टॉनिकेट मैम वो एक मैम जिससे हम उसके जहाँ पर मैम ब्लडिंग होती है मैम उसके थोड़ा सा पीछे मैम टॉनिकेट लगा देते हैं जिससे मैम जो ब्लड है वो थोड़ा मैम वो ब्लड होता है वो निकले ना
करते हैं तो फर्दर ब्लीडिंग बंद हो जाती है. वेरी गुड आंसर. इट इज अ बैंड. क्लियर? इट इज अ band which is applied in case of heavy bleeding. It is used to put the pressure. It helps to put the pressure, and it helps to stop the excessive bleeding. In case of snake bite also we use the tourniquet. Okay. Now next is the poison ejected by a snake affects the dash. Yes. In case of the poison ejected by snake affects the dash. Write in the chat box. Anji beta. Very good answers. You're writing correct. Okay. Yes. Answer is C. Heart. Very good. Heart is affected if there is poison in the blood. It reaches the heart. Okay. And it affects the nervous system also. Can you name what do we call the poison of the snake? I told you while teaching. What do we call another name of the poison of snake? Write it in the chat box. Because you have to write C once, not 100 times. Yes. Correct spelling. Very good. Jasmeet has written the correct answer. We know. Shivansh also. We know कहते हैं हम snake के poison को. And what do we call the teeth of the snake which help to eject the poison into the body of human? When it bites, so it ejects the poison into the body of very good fangs. Okay, 2 teeth होते हैं. They are called fangs, and fangs help to eject the poison into the body. Very good. So next is, yes, answer of, check it again. Answer of first is A, second C, third D, fourth A, and fifth C. Clear? Now next is fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks. First one is carelessness leads to dash. Carelessness leads to dash. It leads to accidents. Okay. Accident may be severe, it may cause death, but what we will fill? Accident. Okay. Accident can be minor, accident can be major also. So we should be very careful to avoid accidents. Clear? Carelessness leads to accidents. Now next is clothes should not be worn in the class. Which type of clothes we should not worn in the kitchen? While working in the kitchen, what should not be worn? What type of clothes should not be worn? Very good. You can write polyester, you can write nylon, you can write synthetic clothes also. Clear? So nylon, polyester, synthetic clothes, okay, all are correct. Now third one is never touch electric gadgets with dash hands. Very good, you are writing quickly. Never touch electric gadgets with dash hands. Good. Okay. Never touch with wet hands. हमें wet hand से नहीं touch करना चाहिए electric gadgets को, otherwise we may get the electric shock. Because water is a conductor of electricity. Don't go for the next. Garvita, okay? Yes. Next, fourth one is in case of a minor burn and dash cream can be applied on it. In case of a minor burn, अगर थोड़ा सा हल्का सा पेन हो रही है, हल्का सा जला है, तो हमें क्या यूज करना चाहिए? Very good. We can use an antiseptic cream. Antiseptic cream can be applied on it. And if the burn is major, then what should be done? Yes. What should be done if there is the case of unheard? Unmute yourself better. Rupali ma'am, kindly allow him. Unheard. If there is the case of major burn, what should be done? फिर हमें क्या करना चाहिए? अगर major burn है तो क्या करना चाहिए? Minor burn तो is okay, apply antiseptic cream, or we can put our hand under the water, cold water. We can apply ice, but if major burn is there, then what will happen? There will be blisters. Okay, blisters छाले पड़ जाते हैं. Then we don't have to prick that. We don't have to prick the blisters. If in case it gets pricked, then we should wash it with cold water and soap. Then we should wash it with cold water. Then after that we have to cover it, and then we should consult the doctor. We can cover it with the cloth dipped in baking soda. Baking soda में कपड़े को गीला करके, then after that we can put that cloth to cover that blister. Okay. Yes. Next one is electrical fire can be put off using dash. If the case is of fire and fire is caused due to some electrical, if there is some problem in the electrical gadgets, clear, or short circuiting short circuit is there, then in that case, very good, we should use fire extinguisher. Okay, fire extinguisher should be used. What should not be used? Write it also. What should not be used if there is electrical fire? Water. Good answer. Water should not be used. Okay, we should not use water because water is good conductor and we can get electric shock. We should use either fire extinguisher or we can use sand or mud also. Because when we put sand, it will cover that part, burning substance, okay, and their air supply will be cut off and fire will get extinguished. Then next is, in case of a dash or a dash, do not move the affected part. In which case we should not move the affected part. जहाँ पे injury हुई है, we should not move that. Very good, Vanshika, Girisha, good answer. But all are not answering. Better take part. I have a record of chat also. Okay, chat भी record होती है. आपको पता है ना, आपका वो subject enrichment के marks लगते हैं. You should take part actively. Sprain or fracture. What is the difference between sprain and fracture? Who will tell? Raise hand. Yes. Saksham Gupta. Can you answer better? Rupali ma'am, kindly allow him. What is the difference between sprain
Done,
and
ma'am.
fracture? Yes, Saksham, can you tell?
Yes.
Yes, beta. हाँ जी बोलिए. What is
Ma'am, repeat the
what is
question, please.
what is sprain?
Ma'am, ma'am, twist
Twist.
between on the ankle or the wrist is called
It's not.
sprain.
It's not wrist, beta. It's wrist. But you don't have to read from the book. By now आपको आ जाना चाहिए. You have to read the chapter. You have to learn all the concepts. Okay? आपने key terms learn करनी है. कभी भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो you have to contact me कि मैम हमें ये चीज़ समझ नहीं लगी. Okay? So what is sprain? It is the twist in the ankle or wrist. कलाई में मोच आ जाती है, पैर में मोच आ जाती है, पैर मुड़ जाता है, दैट इज स्प्रेन. तो दे विल बी स्वेलिंग ऑन दैट एरिया. इट मे गेट रेड, रेडिश हो जाता है. ओके, मसल्स इंजर्ड हो जाती हैं. एंड फ्रैक्चर इज, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फ्रैक्चर? एकम, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा. एकम, एकम यू कैन अनम्यूट बेटा. No, are you there? Jashiva, immediately you have to unmute. नहीं आंसर आता, no problem. गलत बोल दोगे, no problem. At least you will participate. Yes, good answer. You are writing in the chat box. Yes, beta. What is fracture? It's very easy. Yes, Ekam. You are not there, beta. And who is M? You have to rename your ID. Ashita, Ange.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by fracture? Fracture means जल्दी से. आर्यन, आर्यन, okay, it's not good that you are not answering, you're not unmuting. Yes, Vedika, you have to be very attentive in the class. This shows that you're not attentive. Yes, बहुत सारे बच्चे अपना नेम दे रहे हैं. They want to tell, but I can ask anyone. Okay, I want to see कि if all are active, if all are attentive, it's not there कि you have to join the class just and you are not listening properly, you are not participating. Arnav, unmute yourself, beta. What is fracture? It's good that many students are giving their name in the chat box.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Yes, now speak out, beta. Arnav, what is fracture? Chalo, okay. Fracture, Ashita, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, a broken bone is called fracture.
Thank God. Okay, very good answer. जिनका पहले मैंने नेम लिया उन्होंने अपने आप को अनम्यूट नहीं किया. It's not good on that part. Okay, at least unmute. At least say कि मैम it's not clear to me. मैम please tell again. Only then I'll come to know कि आपको ये चीज़ समझ नहीं लगी. But if you don't unmute yourself, if you don't tell me, then how can I come to know? Fracture is broken bone. जब bone broken हो जाती है, then we call fracture is there. Okay. In case of sprain or fracture, we should not move that affected part. अगर लेग में फ्रैक्चर हुए है तो हमें लेग को मूव नहीं करना, अगर आर्म में है तो हमें आर्म को मूव नहीं करना. Okay, now next is state true or false and also correct the false statement. First one is domestic fire and kitchen injuries are the most common examples of fire accidents. Is it true? Garv is written false. Vanshika true. Yes, some of the students are writing true and some are writing false. We will put it cross. Clear? Correct is fires occurred while working in the kitchen or while using electric gadgets are the examples of fire accidents. So we will put it false. Clear? डोमेस्टिक फायर मीन्स घर पे उसका कुछ भी रीजन हो सकता है, बट जो मोस्ट कॉमन है दे आर फायर्स अकर्ड व्हाइल वर्किंग इन द किचन और व्हाइल यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल गैजेट्स. दे आर द मोस्ट कॉमन एग्जांपल्स ऑफ फायर एक्सीडेंट्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज फॉल्स. और आपने इसको करेक्ट भी करना है. आपने जो मैंने रेड से जैसे लिखा है उसको अंडरलाइन करके उसके ऊपर ही आपने पेंसिल से करेक्ट करके लिख देना है. अंडरलाइन विच वर्ड्स टू बी रिप्लेस्ड, उनकी जगह पे आपने लिख देना फायर्स अकर्ड व्हाइल वर्किंग इन द किचन और व्हाइल यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल गैजेट्स. दे आर द मोस्ट कॉमन एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ फायर एक्सीडेंट्स. ओके बेटा. तो सेकेंड वन इज severe burn, wounds and animal bites should be treated by a doctor. Is it correct? Yes. Many of you are writing correct and it is correct. कि अगर burn ज़्यादा हुआ है, okay, blisters are there or deep cut is there, then we should we should consult a doctor. It is true. Then next is a tourniquet is a bandage or triangular piece of cloth looped around the neck to support the injured arm. False. What should be the correct answer? Jaspreet, but unmute yourself to correct it. Jaspreet, unmute yourself. This is false. You have to correct it. Jaspreet, are you there? Yes. Brahmjot. Brahmjot, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Can you correct this statement?
Yes.
जी बोलिए.
Ma'am, a splint is a bandage or triangular piece of cloth looped around the neck to support the injured arm.
It's not splint, it is sling. S-L-I-N-G, sling. Splint होती है rigid strip that is used to support the broken arm. Broken bone को support देने के लिए जो हार्ड मटेरियल की बनी होती है, लाइक स्ट्रिप्स यूज कर सकते हैं, वुडन स्टिक्स, उसको उससे बांध देते हैं बाजू को, सो दैट कि डज नॉट मूव, इट गेट्स द सपोर्ट. बट जो गले में हम लूप करते हैं, ट्रायंगुलर पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ लूप करते हैं, जब पढ़ाते टाइम मैंने आपको स्लाइड दिखाई थी, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड स्लिंग. क्लियर? स्लिंग इज यूज्ड. Okay, sling is a bandage that is used, that is a triangular piece that can be looped around the neck in order to support the injured arm. ये रेडीमेड भी आती है और ये घर पे भी आप बना सकते हो with the help of triangular piece of cloth. Now fire can be put off by supplying more air. False. Good answer. All of you are answering. Okay, it is false. How can we correct it? Fire can be cut off by cutting the supply of air. हमें एयर सप्लाई नहीं करनी, हमें कट ऑफ करनी है। बाय कटिंग द सप्लाई ऑफ एयर, हमें उसकी सप्लाई को बंद करना है, सो दैट कि ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिले और आग बुझ जाए। नेक्स्ट इज द स्फीयर बर्न कैन बी ट्रीटेड बाय वार्म वाटर। इट इज ट्रू? नो, वार्म वाटर से नहीं ट्रीट करना, इट शुड बी ट्रीटेड विद कोल्ड वाटर। Okay, we have to cool that part which has burnt. जिसमें पेन हो रही है, you will get the relief. आपने उसको ठंडे पानी के नीचे करना है स्फीयर बर्न को. Then we should have to go to doctor. Next, the cracked plastic cover of a wire does not cause any accident. If the insulation is not proper on a wire, उसकी जो प्लास्टिक कवरिंग है उसमें कुछ क्रैक पड़ गया है, तो it does not cause any accident. It's false. It can cause an accident, so it should be removed. It should be replaced. That wire should be replaced. Clear? Now next and the last, that is match the following. Yes. Jaspreet, unmute yourself. Jaspreet. Yes, Jaspreet, are you there? Saksham. Beta, unmute yourself. Parth. Yes.
मैम यस
हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए. फर्स्ट वन, अ क्रैक इन बोन. मैच
मैम फ्रैक्चर
fracture. A crack in the bone is fracture. Very good. And nervous system. Nervous system. हाँ जी बेटा. वेदांश. Jashiva. Jashiva. Nervous system. It is with snake bite. Okay, snake bite, it causes the when snake bite is there, when poison reaches our brain or our nervous system, then nerves are affected, so nervous system is affected. Clear? Then see rabies. Clear? Rabies is a disease. The germs of rabies are present in the dog bite. Okay, saliva of dog contains germs of rabies. So this disease is caused by dog bite. And blisters are formed. Blisters are formed when there is sphere burn. जब sphere burn होता है तो blisters छाले पड़ जाती हैं. And fire extinguisher, it is used to put off fire. So first जो है उसका मैचिंग होगा E के साथ, सेकेंड A, थर्ड B, फोर्थ C and fifth D. Clear? Now if any query is there, so you can, okay, one word answers are also there. Yes, write it in the chat box. A twist in the joint or joint of ankle or wrist. What do we call it when there is twist in the joint or a joint of ankle or wrist? Very good, sprain. Good answers. Strip of rigid material used for supporting and immobilizing the broken bone. What do we call it? Splint. Okay, splint is the rigid material used for supporting and immobilizing a broken bone. जब bone टूट जाती है, उसको support करने के लिए, उसकी movement को रोकने के लिए, उसको immobilize करने के लिए splint use किया जाता है, जो hard material से बना होता है. In that case, we can wrap the newspaper around that broken part we can wrap the piece of cardboard, or we can use wooden sticks also. Clear? Then next is the immediate help provided to an injured person before the arrival of proper medical aid is very easy. ओके, डॉक्टर के आने से पहले जो हेल्प करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट एड. वेरी गुड आंसर्स. देन द लास्ट वन इज अ टाइट बैंडेज दैट हेल्प्स टू अप्लाई प्रेशर टू स्टॉप ब्लीडिंग. व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? गुड आंसर पुष्पिंदर. यस, बट टर्निक्विट के स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग है. अब ठीक आ रहे हैं. प्रभजोत गुड. हर्षिता, शिवांश गुड. जैस्मीन आपकी भी रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग है बेटा. टॉनिक्विट स्पेलिंग शुड बी करेक्ट. TOURNIQUET. QUET. वंशिका एन नहीं आएगा बेटा. क्लियर? Yes, it's good. Many of you are participating in the chat box. It means आपका जो आंसर्स है आ रहे हैं, इट मीन्स आपको चैप्टर क्लियर है. बट इफ यू डोंट लिसन केयरफुली ड्यूरिंग द क्लास एंड इफ यू डोंट रीड द चैप्टर देन आपको समझ नहीं लगेगा बेटा. बी सिंसियर. क्लियर? इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम इज देयर यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी एनी टाइम. क्लियर? नाउ I'm going to remove the screen. If any query is there, so you can ask me. 1 minute is there. Anji beta.